Hey guys. Whoa, look at this mess of a hair. But welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Sierra. I hope you guys already subscribed. If you didn't, make sure you do so. So today, guys, my hair has been a hot mess, first of all, forever. So it's time for me to change that. So this is gonna be my second time. The first time was it was a okay because something about it. Hold on. Okay, back. So yeah, so I tried a perm rod set and it didn't dry the way. I had to work in the morning, so you know how that goes. Didn't get a chance to fully dry. So it kind of got frizzier than I wanted to as the day went on, but you know. So we're gonna try this again, and I'm gonna use my perm rod sets that I got from my local beauty supply, and I want to show you all the little products I'm gonna use. I'm not using much because I don't want to use gel in my hair, so I'll probably just use like a leave-in conditioner, some oil, of course, maybe this little foam cream I have. I don't know. So we're gonna see. So I'll let you guys see a little bit of what I do and the finished results because I didn't do something with this dry mess of a hair. So stay tuned if you want to see the results. And also, if you didn't already, please subscribe down below and give me a big thumbs up if you do enjoy this video. And let me know also what you want to see because I'm new to this and I'm trying to get a little feel, you know. So whatever you guys like to see, just let me know. I'll try it out too. So let's get right into this video. Here's a quick little setup of all the things I want to use in my video. So I have my leave-in conditioner, my oil. I don't know if I'm going to use this foam. I have to fill my spray bottle up because I'm going to run out. And then I have my little coral. if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below, and let me know whatever you want to see. If you want to see any more hair stuff or me and my makeup journey, as I told you guys about before, let me know, and then I will get onto those videos. So until then, bye guys.